Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where curiosity meets innovation. If you love discovering new gadgets that transform your driving experience, you're in for a treat today. We've handpicked 5 of the most mind-blowing car gadgets that will completely change how you drive, clean, and enjoy your car. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Dream Color LED. This is not just a car accessory, it's an instant luxury upgrade. The Dream Color carbon fiber LED door sill lights give your car an aggressive, stylish edge. Made from high-quality acrylic, they're scratch-resistant, easy to clean, and completely waterproof with an IP67 rating. You can switch between 7 vibrant light colors: red, blue, green, purple, and more, with 28 unique lighting modes that make your car stand out every time you open the door. The installation? Completely wireless. No drilling, no wiring, no damage to your car. And here's something cool. It automatically turns off when you close your door, thanks to its smart sensor system. Plus, it's USB rechargeable and lasts for hours. This one is all about style meeting smart design. Number 4. KAWA Mini Pro. This little beast redefines what a dashcam can be. The 2K KAWA Mini 3 Pro dashcam comes with a futuristic transparent display that lets you see your recording, Wi-Fi, and microphone status instantly. No distractions, no apps needed. It's compact, voice-controlled, and blends perfectly with your windshield without blocking your view. The moment you turn on your car, it starts recording automatically, ensuring that every second on the road is captured in crystal-clear 2K resolution. It's the kind of smart camera that gives you peace of mind and looks incredible while doing it. Number 3. Oil Film Remover. Clean windshield, clear vision. That's what this tool is all about. The Carglass Oil Film Remover is a powerful cleaning solution designed to eliminate those stubborn stains, water spots, and greasy marks that ruin visibility. Its hydrophobic effect ensures rain simply slides off your windshield, keeping your view crystal clear even in bad weather. It's super easy to use. Just apply with the built-in sponge, wipe it down, and enjoy a spotless shine in minutes. And it's not just for your car. You can use it on windows, mirrors, even shower glass. It's durable, effective, and ensures your car looks brand new every single day. Number 2. OTTOCAST P3. If you've ever wished your car could do more, this gadget makes it happen. The OTTOCAST P3 Android AI box transforms your regular car system into a smart entertainment powerhouse. Running on Android 12, it brings wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, YouTube, Netflix, and IPTV straight to your dashboard. The customizable home screen lets you set up your favorite apps, monitor CPU and network usage, and even split the display for multitasking. Imagine watching a video while navigating. No lag, no cables, no limits. It's the smartest upgrade for any car interior, period. Number 1. Baseus 11-in-1. Now this is the ultimate multitasking hub for your tech life. The Baseus USB-C 11-in-1 docking station isn't just for your car. It's perfect for your home or office setup too. It features 2 HDMI and 2 DisplayPort outputs, each supporting stunning 4K at 60 Hz. Plus, super fast USB 3.1 ports for 10 gigabits per second data transfer, a 100-watt PD input, gigabit Ethernet, and even a 3.5mm audio jack. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, this metallic powerhouse lets you connect multiple displays, charge your devices, and transfer files, all at lightning speed. It's sleek, efficient, and built for those who demand performance and style in one package. So whether you're streaming, editing, or just want a cleaner workspace, this docking station is a total game changer. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.